Hi guys, I'm just editing some preschool pictures from my daughter's school that I did the other day, and I just wanted to show you how awesome the spot removal tool is for removing, doing some quick edits in Lightroom. So you don't always have to bring your photo all the way into Photoshop to do cloning or to clean up the image. You can do a lot of it right here in Lightroom. So these kids were playing outside, and it's summer now, and their little legs are covered in bruises, so we're going to clean those up. So I just go up here to the spot removal brush, and then I just place it over. See, there's a bruise here. I just click it, and then it does a really good job at finding another similar color spot, and it will correct it. You can go up here and change the opacity if you don't want it to be completely covered. I usually have it at full capacity for things like this. So it's quick. I just kind of go through, make sure they look okay. You can drag the cursor on your mouse up and down to change the size of your tool, which is super quick. So you can see it cleaned it up quite a bit. It's not perfect, but for these pictures, it's fine. I'm just going to turn it off so you can see the before and the after. And then I'm just going to scroll up, and there's a couple little white spots of fluff on her dress. So I'll just clean those up super quick. Also, you wouldn't want to use this for any fine details or lots of colors or patterns, but for something like this, like a plain backdrop, just a simple backdrop and simple colors, it's pretty good. This one's bugging me because I just have to move it. I don't think I got it. There we go, that's better. I'm gonna move it up. She has a little spot on her arm there. Let's get rid of that. And that's good for spots on this little girl here. And we can see the before and after. You can see all the spots that I did. There you go. Super simple.